Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can add proxy to Telegram. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, open your Telegram, tap on profile icon. On the setting, tap on proxy. First, you must enable it. After that, tap on add proxy. Choose proxy tape. And then enter the information of proxy. Like this one. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.